students, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. Today in this video we are going to learn chapter number 2nd and semester number 2nd. Okay, and this is the video of third video, means third part, and the chapter is India climate and natural resources. In the previous video we have already completed climatic condition, 3 main seasons, and even we have already completed the water resources. Now today in this video we are going to learn mineral resources. So biotic and abiotic minerals below the surface of the earth are transformed into minerals having different chemical components due to the intense heat and pressure. See, biotic and abiotic minerals, you have already studied it in science. So below the surface of the earth means this is the surface of the earth. So below the surface of the earth are transformed into minerals. When we are getting the resources, so they are in a very hard form and not in a pure form. So with the help of minerals we have to transform them, and even with the chemical components, mean chemical things, okay, chemicals due to intense heat and pressure. So with the help of chemical components, first intense matlab too much heat is given to them and even pressure, and then after they will come in the original form. Okay, generally it is in a we can say mines form. So we have to doing, if we give the heat and pressure, so they will come in the original form. This treasure trove of the minerals is formed in the core of the earth through the natural process lasting for thousands of years. So this process taken thousands of years, especially if we are talking about coal or if we are talking about petrol, okay, petroleum, diesel. So we are using day by day, we are the uses of petrol and diesel increases, but it takes thousands of years to create, and that's why even it is saying that after few years we don't have the petrol and all that thing, okay, because it is non-renewable resources and it will renewable, but it takes thousands of years. Minerals below the earth are not found in their pure form. I already told to you that when we find the minerals, so they are not in a pure form. They are many, there are many impurities present due to which they are called ores. It is very important. What is ore? So the minerals below the earth are not found in the pure form. Suppose if iron ore is there, मीन्स आयरन की और है, तो दैट इज़ नॉट इन अ प्योर फॉर्म, मीन्स खाली आयरन नहीं होगा, उसके साथ बहुत सारे जो भी मेटल्स है वो भी इंक्लूड होंगे, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ केमिकल कंपोनेंट्स, और उसको हीट एंड प्रेशर देके उसमें से रिलीज़ किया जाएगा और आयरन और बाकी के जितने भी मिनरल्स हैं वो हमें मिलेंगे. देर आर मैनी इम्प्योरिटीज़, मतलब बहुत सारी इम्प्योरिटीज़ अंदर होती है, प्रेजेंट ड्यू टू विच दे आर कॉल्ड ऑर्स, और उसकी वजह से उसको और बोला जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आयरन ऑर. इफ़ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट क्रूड ऑयल, तो क्रूड ऑयल जो होता है इट इज़ ऑफ डार्क ब्लैक कलर. फिर उसमें से साइंटिफिक केमिकल कंपोनेंट्स के यूज से पेट्रोल, डीजल, ओके, कैरोसिन, ग्रीस, वो सारी चीज़ें जो है वो सेपरेट की जाती है. Only after the refining of these ore we get minerals in their pure form. So after refining मतलब जो भी प्रोसेस है वो फिल करके ही हम लोगों को कौन सा फॉर्म मिलेगा, सो प्योर फॉर्म मिलेगा. These minerals form the foundation of the economical might and prosperity of the country. So these minerals form the foundation. So these minerals are like very important for the economic as well as prosperity of a country, because I already told you कि जितने भी minerals हमारे पास है वो हम अकेले यूज़ नहीं करेंगे, उसको एक्सपोर्ट भी करेंगे, उसमें से मनी भी मिलेंगे. So that is very important for the economical growth also. So minerals can be divided into 3 types. Which 3 types? See, metallic minerals, for example, means metallic mineral के example raw iron, copper, gold, zinc, tin, nickel, mercury and platinum. So metallic means metal. So metal is in a hard form. When you throw it, so it creates the sound. Then non-metallic minerals, so diamond, ruby, limestone. Limestone is one kind of stone, precious stone. China clay, जिसको हम चीनाई मिट्टी बोलते हैं, वो डोलोमाइट, बॉक्साइट, फ्रॉस्फर, जिप्सम, अकीक, कैल्साइट, सिलिका मतलब जो रेती हम बोलते हैं वो, ग्रेफाइट, पोटास एंड फॉस्फेट. सी नॉन मेटालिक मिनरल्स, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द नेम्स: डायमंड, रूबी, लाइमस्टोन, चाइना क्ले, डोलोमाइट, बॉक्साइट, फ्लोस्फर, जिप्सम, अकीक, calcite, silica, graphite, potash and phosphate. So it is in non-metallic form. Then power generating minerals, so minerals with the help of that we can generate the power. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कॉल, तो कॉल से जो भी थर्मल पावर है वो इंक्लूड मतलब होता है. देन नेचुरल गैस, मिनरल ऑयल, यूरेनियम एंड थोरियम, यू नो वेरी वेल, जो जिसमें से हम लोग बॉम्ब क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ यूरेनियम और थोरियम उससे भी जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है वो जनरेट की जाती है. देन रेडियम, ओके, मैडम क्यूरी ने जिसको इन्वेंट किया वो रेडियम, आपके वॉच में भी आता है. And at the time of dark it will shine, so that is radium. So you have to remember 3 types of mineral: metallic, non-metallic and power generating minerals. Now places where minerals are available, कौन कौन से places पे से कौन कौन से metals and minerals available होते हैं, we have to see in the context of India. So first one, coal. So झारखंड, सबसे ज़्यादा जो coal है वो कहाँ से मिलता है, झारखंड में से, स्पेशली रानीगंज. ओके, रानीगंज में जो है वो कॉल की और है. देन छत्तीसगढ़, आंध्र प्रदेश, गोवा, उड़ीसा, तमिलनाडु, कर्नाटक, बिहार, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र एंड गुजरात. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द स्टेट्स, इट विल बी देयर इन योर एग्जाम, दैट राइट द नेम ऑफ द प्लेसेस फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ मिनरल. देन सेकेंड वन, मैंगनीज. सो आंध्र प्रदेश, गोवा, गुजरात, राजस्थान, झारखंड, उड़ीसा, तमिलनाडु, कर्नाटका, वेस्ट बंगाल एंड महाराष्ट्र. Then copper. So Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Sikkim and Meghalaya. Bauxite. So Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Jharkhand and Maharashtra. Then mica. So Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar and Rajasthan. Lead. Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. Then limestone. So Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka and Himachal Pradesh. Then gold, only 2 states, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Then mineral oil and natural gas, so Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Assam and Andaman Nicobar. And thorium, so Rajasthan and Jharkhand, again here 2 states, okay, Rajasthan and Jharkhand. Then uses of mineral. So manganese, it is also very important, okay, in short question the question will be there that write the uses of manganese, write the uses of copper, write the uses of mica. So manganese is used in a chemical industries, pesticide, glass, varnish and painting industries. Where so chemical industries, pesticide मतलब purification करके जो process होती है वो glass, वर्निश एंड पेंटिंग इंडस्ट्रीज जो कलर बनाते हैं पेंटिंग के, वहाँ पे मैंगनीज का यूज़ होता है. देन कॉपर. सो कॉपर इज यूज्ड इन इलेक्ट्रिक वायर. व्हेन यू ओपन द इलेक्ट्रिक वायर यू हैव गोल्डन कलर वायर, सो दैट इज कॉपर. देन मटेरियल, कलर्ड ग्लास, coins and printing industries, so that is also very important, okay, to make coins and even printing industry copper is useful. Then bauxite, so it is used in electric materials, colors, airplanes, purification of kerosene and making the cement. It's very important, say purification of kerosene and even to make the cement bauxite is useful. Mica is used in the making radio, telephone, airplane, gramophone, soundproof curtains. Now you know very well soundproof मतलब ऐसे curtains होते हैं जिससे बाहर का आवाज़ है वो अंदर नहीं आएगा. So for that mica is used. Radio, telephone, airplane, gramophone and soundproof curtains. Then fluorspar is used in a mineral melting industries. जो mineral है we have already discussed that is impure means that is known as ores, okay, तो उसको melt करने के लिए. Then plastic industries, hydrochloric acid and in making things from china clay से चीज़ें बनाने के लिए fluorspar का यूज़ होता है. Then land resources, so a large area covered chiefly with the numerous trees and undergrowth is called forest. Okay, large area covered chiefly मतलब mainly with the numerous trees मतलब more trees and undergrowth मतलब बहुत सारे growth को मिला के it is called forest. Forests are an unavailable resources of the wealth of invaluable resource of the wealth of nation, means forests are very useful resource of the wealth of nation. There are different types of forest in India because of its physiography and climate, means their condition, and due to climate we have different types of forests. So which type of forest? See, There are 5,000 types of trees in India. In India ranks 10th in the world in terms of the availability of the variety of vegetation, mean variety of trees and fauna and all that thing. We have 10th rank in the world. Since ancient times, India is renowned for the medicinal herbs. You know very well that still India में जो है वो medicine जो है वो herbs का use होता है. For example, if you are taking so Patanjali and all that thing, there is a mention of almost 2,000 varieties of herbs and trees in Ayurveda. Okay, and as far as Ayurveda is concerned, so that is a very old book from which we get the information about the herbs and shrubs and all that thing. So more than 2,000 varieties it was written over there at that time. Now the types of forest. So evergreen forests are found in the northeastern parts, mountainous regions and the Andaman and Nicobar Island of India. Evergreen forest matlab every time green. Okay, where? So northeastern part and mountainous regions and Andaman and Nicobar Island of India. Evergreen are so named as there is no particular season for the trees to shed their leaves. Why it is called evergreen? Generally you know very well that in the autumn season the trees shed their leaves, but here they don't have the particular season, and even as the trees like shed their leaves, suddenly the new leaves will come. So it is called evergreen forest. Therefore these forests remain green throughout the year, and throughout the year this type of evergreen forest like remain green. These trees are usually 30 to 35 meter in height. You have to remember the name of the trees in particular forest and their height. So here we have 30 to 35 meter in height. Bamboo, teak, sal, mahogany and sesame are the main trees of this forest. Means as far as evergreen forest are concerned, we have bamboo, teak, sal, mahogany and sesame trees are there. Then second one, deciduous forests are found in the Vindhyachal mountain range, the Satpura hills, the foothills of Himalayas and foothills of eastern and western Ghats of India. Foothills matlab small path to walk. So where we find deciduous forests? So Vindhyachal mountain range, Satpura hills, foothills of Himalayas, foothills of western and eastern Ghat of India. Main trees of these forests are teak, sal, mahuda, banyan and peepal. So as far as deciduous forests are concerned, so which are the main trees? So teak, sal, mahuda, banyan and peepal. These trees shed their leaves in autumn. We have already discussed about the same thing, that generally the trees shed their leaves in which season? So autumn, and it is not applicable in evergreen forest. Okay, evergreen forest. The treadle or mangrove forest are most luxuriant around the delta areas of large rivers and sheltered bays where the annual rainfall is very high. We have already discussed in Ganga river, okay, northern river, that they form the delta. So here we have treadle and mangrove forest. Okay, means Sundari, we call in Gujarati and Hindi Sundari books. Treadle and mangrove forest generally we find in that areas. Okay, and the annual rainfall is very high in that region. The Indian treadle or mangrove forest are mainly situated in the Gangatic delta, I already told to you, and in the coastal plain in West Bengal called Sundarban. Mangrove, Sundari, palms, kevda, chair grow in these forests. So it is very important as far as the treadle or mangrove forest are concerned. So mainly which kind of trees we get here? So mangroves, Sundari, palm, kevda and chair. Nilgiri also sometimes. Then coniferous forests are found in the mountainous region of Himalaya. Deodar, pine, spruce and birch trees grow in this forest. So you have to remember this also, that coniferous forest, so deodar, pine, spruce and birch trees. Then the thorny forests are found in the northwest Punjab, West Haryana, Rajasthan and southern and western areas of Uttar Pradesh. So thorny forest means generally jahan pe we can say deserts area. So northwest Punjab, then West Haryana, then Rajasthan, southern and western areas of Uttar Pradesh. Trees like spurge, then acacia means cactus and caper are found here. You can see here the forest in India, red color, green color shows the portion which are covered with the trees, or we can say forest. Okay, so you have to prepare the long question, types of forest, which trees are there. I hope it is clear to you, but still you have any doubts, so you can write in comment box. So I'll try to solve your problems and doubts. And thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.